Hello, very good day. My name is Francisco Javier Narvaez. This is my activity number 3 for the model verbs. I begin. Model verbs. Uh, Number one sentence. Last year I had the flu. The scare you should have with this virus. It's to drink a lot of water and leak rains. Number two sentence. In this moment in the world, we are living the hard situation with the virus COVID SARS 2 because it becomes necessary and our responsibility. We use mask and we should clean our hands with water at all time. Sentence number three. We could take into account that is that in this moment is necessary and our responsibility that we should vaccinate. Excuse me. And number two, four sentence. In other moment of my life I had an accident in which it requires a plaster the caries that we should have with that. Excuse me, repeat. And number four. In other moment of my life, I had an accident in which it required a plaster the cares, and they should have with this type of accident in the rest and repose. Thank you very much. This is my activity for the number three. This this is sentence. This sentence had this sentence has modal verbs. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.